And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest from the Figure Eye Standard for the Mask Rider series. Again, such a long time since they released after Kamen Rider Zero One. We now have the very original, we have the OG, we have Mask Rider 1 or Kamen Rider Ichigou. And as you can see in the box art, yes, there he is in his glorious rider kick. And of course, you can see his transformation belt down on the lower left. And yes, very glorious. I think they might be starting with the Showa this time, but of course the Showa was started with Figure Eye Standard Showa started with Mask Rider Black, which they released last year. And then just last year we have the first Reiwa, which is Kamen Rider Zero One. Of course, this year we have the OG. Alright. Off to the side, what you can see here is yes, back and forth. Mask Rider 1, you can do his signature henshin pose, such mobility and articulation, and of course some other stuff that you can do with him. And off to the other side, yes, the information with regards to Mask Rider 1. Right, so opening up and seeing what's inside the box. Right. We have one bag with a multicolor screw and all red. Another bag with all black sprue, a full sticker sheet, and one with all silver. Not the last bag. Another bag with all black. And I guess this is the last bag wherein we have a stand, some gray parts, a clear white part, and of course we have the instruction manual right over here. And again, as you can see, it's just the same. The back art, we can see Max Rider Ichigo doing his rider kick, and of course some of the things that you can do with him. Poses, as you can see, we can perfectly mimic his henshin pose. The rider kick is perfectly mimic. Rider chop is here, and of course back and forth. So back and front, how we can see it. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Right, so first off is we have here is the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We see some blacks, some greens, and some clear red. We have a B1 sprue here, which is all silver. Some parts of the legs, arms, feet, and the belt can be seen. We have the C sprue, back to being all black, so parts of the legs are here. Waist section. We have a D1, which is all red, so this is for the scarf and the belt. We have a D2, which is all gray, so joints, I guess. We have an E sprue here, which is a clear plastic. We have XA1 here for the joints. It also has an XA2, still for the joints. And lastly, we have the new stand that is being provided in the Figure Eye Standard for the Kamen Rider series. And lastly, we can't forget about this full stickers here, which is consisting of all white lines and some black lines. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. What's inside the box of this Figure Eye Standard for this Mask Rider series? We have Mask Rider Ichigo, the very OG of the Kamen Rider series. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.